Wait, bro. Stop scrolling. I just found a way to clone any website using AI in a second. Do you hear me? I just pasted a link and boom! A full multi-million-dollar website clone appeared like magic. This website that used to take weeks now takes a minute. Oh my goodness. I'm losing my mind, bro. Now you don't need to know any code, no developer required. We just need to one link and one prompt. That's it. And what I'm about to show you in this video, it's not just cool, it's going to change your life. Woo! This is future. This is scary. This is power. Like, bro, imagine you take Fiverr.com, paste it into some magic AI website, and boom! It builds a whole clone with page, image, header, footer. Like, it's real, bro. It's real. This is not just some tech trick. This is life-changing tools. I'm about to clone Fiverr using 3 AI tools. Let's see the result.
What?
Let's see what happened with us. And if you aren't watching this video till the end, you are missing the biggest opportunity of your life. Are you ready for watching life-changing AI tools? Let's clone Fiverr.com right now. Let's go. Here's the deals. I'm testing in here right now the 3 trending viral AI tools. Number 1 is Lovable.dev, V0.dev, Bolt.new. So I will give in here the same prompt for every tools, like that is the clone Fiverr.com's add a geek page when clicking on geeks and header, footer and all page. And I'll also give in here v0.dev. This is my prompt. Also I give in here bold. So okay, cool. This is a building right now. This is a creating, bro. This is a create. Okay, I'm waiting for it. And also I will giving the enter in here. Okay, this is the next level. Oh my goodness. Oh, cool. It's taking the screenshot. Okay, and also I will give in the enter in here also. Ooh, cool. Let's see. Awesome. Welcome to Blank app. Start building your amazing project here. Okay, bro. Cool. I'm waiting for it. Oh, B0 writing code. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Cool. Unbelievable. That's great. Oh, Bolt.new are actually writing code also and add packages, a folder, awesome things. Oh my goodness, awesome. And if I talk about this right now, hey, Lovable, what's going on with you? What happened? I don't know. So let's see, like V0, what happened right now in here? Okay, he's writing code. Bolt.new also writing code and creating some update. Okay, that's cool. Awesome. I'm really spaceless. I'm spaceless, bro. What happened in here? What happened in AI universe? Okay, they're also thinking, oh, creating components, footer. They're already complete. Layout, CSS, Tailwind CSS, component, headers. My goodness, components of footer. Right now is working on the app page.tsx. Okay, cool, awesome. It's unbelievable. How could this happen? Okay, what's going on? What's happening here? Okay, I want to also giving the also same prompts and okay, maybe Lovable actual thinking. Lovable.devs are working in slowly. Okay, I'm here to Fiverr.com. Cool. Modern clean header with navigation and search. Okay, right now it's working. Okay, V0 also working on this project. My goodness, this Bolt.new also working on the project. Awesome. Oh, cool. Great. Super. Okay, creating lots of component, bro. I'm speechless. You know, they are writing code in a second. Like, do you know this one thing? Like, I learned HTML in 3 years, and they write HTML every code in 3 seconds. This is injustice. I'm fighting for my job. AI writing up super and smart, bro. I'm super excited. Let's see. Almost done, I think so. This is almost done. Okay. What's happened? Bro, what's happened with you? Welcome to our blank app. What the hell? I'll create a Fiverr clones with clones, professional design. Okay, I think there is a creating right now. Design inspired by this original site, less including homepage and feature gigs. Okay. Fiverr marketplace designs and creating functional. Okay, bro. It's also Lovable are also working right now. Okay, cool. I'm waiting for it. They're creating. My goodness. They're writing a lot of code. How they actually being this kind of level is smart? AI are actually reaching the next level. Where come from this kind of tools? Maybe they come from another galaxy. Who made this? Who made this, bro? Oh, they're writing. Okay, cool. This is the next level, bro. This is the really next level. How they can actually write in everything. Oh my goodness. According to my demand, they are built. Okay, I'm waiting for it. Okay, right now he tried to actually write sign up and login page. Okay, they're writing the code, and yeah, I'm waiting for it. Ooh, app checkout ID page. Cool. Oh, woo, almost done. Right, almost done in B0. And if I talk about like Bolt.new, and okay, if I see this one thing, what actually complete B0 right now. Find the perfect freelance service. Okay. Woo! Almost done this code. Okay, that's awesome. This is awesome, bro. This is awesome. If I see this like right now, B0.dev, they try to complete. Okay, what kind of things? If I actually open the new tab, and right now we can see, oh, they are adding the search bar. Cool and awesome. My goodness, look at these. Just they also cool. They are also add some category, some service card. Awesome. Add some like, you know, price. Oh. I'm spaceless, bro. I'm spaceless. Okay. That means they are not actually created as like a Fiverr.com. You know, this is the actual Fiverr.com. But they try to they try to build their best. B0.dev. Okay. not bad. Out of 10, I think you can say how much I can give. Okay, and then if I go right now, lovable dot. Oh, almost done. That's cool. Great, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is how good that is. They are almost like add everything, create everything. This is insane. This is kind of I'm so sad. I'm depressed right now just because of they create multi-million-dollar website in 3 seconds, 3 minutes. How could this possible? Look at this. Okay, if I try to click the card gigs, oh my goodness, right now look at this. Their right title, price, basic price, standard price, premium price. How could this possible? I feel fair, bro. Maybe AI will took my job. Oh my goodness. There also add description about talking the person who give the gigs, review also, and footer site. How could this possible? My goodness. No, this is a kind of high level smart. This is the whole build is Lovable.dev. Awesome, bro. This is kind of awesome. I don't know what kind of things I want to say. Okay, this is awesome. This is really awesome actually site they are built it. And if I talk about the look at this, this is really awesome. I really spacely, I don't know how I can explain it. Okay, cool. And if I go right now, Bolt.dev, Bolt.new. My goodness. Okay, they write every code. Look at this. Ooh, footer section, home page, everything. Could you imagine? I took lots of month and year for learn CSS, HTML, JavaScript, but right now they are writing in second. How much smart they are. Can you imagine? Okay, if I actually right now we can see this one thing. Look at this. My goodness. Okay, they actually look at this. This is the Bolt.new. They build it. This is kind of good. This is looking so smart. We can write in here any kind of things, and cool. Okay, if I actually write, if I click the geek section, wow. Just I want to say wow. Price, actually price part. My goodness. Review part and kind of about seller review description. Ooh, fantastic, bro. And if I click the actually category, they also build a category: lifestyle, business, programming, tech, and everything. Maybe like a programmer will take much more time for build it, but AI right now build it in a second. I feel fair about this AI. Maybe this AI will take my job, but I'm also really happy just because of maybe if I can properly use this tool, my life would be so beautiful, so easy, and I could complete any kind of work in so fast, so early. That's awesome, bro. This is awesome. I love it. I know that, like, if you compare with the real Fiverr.com, so this is not 100% similar. They can't 100% similar like real Fiverr.com. But if someone want to try to actually create as beginning time their fundamental foundation, this kind of AI tool can help a lot. I think that is the biggest opportunity for human, because a human, a god create human just because of, like, they will work high level work. So I'm really spaceless. I see a loss of opportunity in future. I love this. I really love this tools. Oh my goodness, how can I say it? My God, who built it? Maybe alien are built Bolt, Lovable, Vercel, this kind of website. They are not human. They are kind of alien. I'm 100% sure. I love this. Fantastic. Woo, cool. If I click in here, but I know that I already explained in here have also limitation. Maybe right now they are kind of AI right now, kind of baby. They are born in maybe 1 month, 2 months, and 1 month or 1 year ago. Can you imagine when their age would be like 5 years, 10 years? How good they will be, how dangerous they will be. That is awesome. So if right now we are not trying to actually utilize properly, if you are not actually try to use it for our work, maybe AI will took our job. So before took our job AI, we have to actually be smart, more smart. We have to utilize properly. So yeah, I think but right now in future we have a lots of opportunity. And I know that, like, right now this is kind of insane, and this is kind of so scary. Who are kind of beginner level, stay in beginner levels or intermediate, who are not try to improve themselves, AI will capture that kind of job. But like who are kind of smart people job, like who are kind of smart, knowledgeable person, AI can't capture that kind of person job. So that is awesome. I love this kind of tools. And I could see lots of opportunity in future. Okay, listen, we just witnessed something crazy. 3 different AI tools, 1 prompt, and in less than 15 minutes now we have a 3 version of Fiverr. Bro, this isn't the future, this is now. Web design and development has changed. This video is proof, and you just saw it with your own eyes. If you aren't excited after this, I don't know what will wake up. Like the video right now if your mind is blown. Comment below which AI tool shocked you the most. Share this with someone who still thinks AI is just a hype. And subscribe. I'm not just here to entertain you, I'm here to show you the real future. So stay tuned with us. Boom!